Okay, as you know, here's the Matador, where you can easily and quickly, without less energy or with less energy, sand off bullnose trim. Here's the typical way that has been known to do the radius of the sanding the radius of the bullnose trim is by hand. So let's take a look at this. Here we go by hand. We're having to sand this off. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Okay. And I've sanded tens of thousands of feet of bullnose trim. But now, with the Matador, all you do is simply put it on there, sand the trim off. Go back, go down with it. You can also come backwards. All the way to the floor, all the way back up. Let's do this other side. Much faster than doing it by hand. Easier, all you have to do is pull a trigger. That's all you have to do, and you can see a nice trim piece sanded here, even at this angle. So you can get real tight into the corner so you barely have any sanding to do in there. We'll do the top side here. Keeping it even with the bullnose trim centered here, and it just evenly sands it off. You can move this thing a little bit to catch the edges if you want. Go back the other way. And there again, you can see how close you can get to the corners with it. Here's some bullnose with a lot of mud on it. A very small piece. I'm adjusting the head on it. I can come in from the bottom. There again, get very close into the corners, which you have to always sand by hand. You can come all the way down with it too backwards if you want, rather than turning it around. But that's how the Matador works. You're taming the bull. You can easily go around the house, pull a trigger, and have it work for you.